No fashion week truly feels complete without Ananya Panday gracing the runway, and rightfully so. The fashionista made a blazing comeback at Lakmē Fashion Week 2025 in partnership with FDCI, opening the show for ace designer Anamika Khanna. Anamika Khanna unveiled her latest collection, Silver Collar, on Wednesday night, a tribute to the fierce, fashion-forward modern woman. Stepping out in a full warrior glam mode, Ananya made jaws drop with her daring showstopper look. Ananya rocked a structured silver bralette embellished with intricate chain detailing that gave off serious glam gladiator vibes. To dial up the drama, she paired it with high-waisted flared trousers in a vibrant electric blue hue, featuring delicate silver embroidery, shimmery embellishments and ornate zari work that caught the light in all the right ways. She stacked on silver metallic bangles and bracelets across both arms, channeling boho meets battle-ready chic. Her makeup, full-on dramatic kohl-rimmed eyes, luminous highlighter, striking blush and glossy nude on the lips. With her hair styled in a sleek bun, the look was sharp, polished and gloriously glam. As always, Ananya brought her signature sass and strut to the catwalk, oozing supermodel energy with every step. Social media was quick to rave about her runway aura, with the diva clearly loving her collab with Anamika too.
So it's my first time, I think, collaborating with Anamika Khanna, and she's one of my favorite designers who I've looked up to. I've loved her work, and it's such a special time to be collaborating with her because I'm here at Lakmē Fashion Week. I'm here for my, I think, 14th Lakmē Fashion Week, and it's very special this year. It's the 25th year of Lakmē. It's just 1 year younger than me, and yeah, it's a great time to be collaborating with her because she's channeling warrior princess, and it's making me feel also very powerful.
According to the official Instagram page of Lakmē Fashion Week, the show drew inspiration from the unstoppable modern woman, one who balances power and poise effortlessly. In the collaboration with AKOK Anamika Khanna, the collection reflected the essence of weightless, long-lasting elegance that seamlessly transitions from day to night. Embodying the strength and grace in AKOK Anamika Khanna's signature style, the designs redefined power dressing with fluid silhouettes, contemporary aesthetics and a commitment to versatility. The collection was a tribute to women who lead with confidence, embrace their individuality and make every moment their own. So, what do you think of Ananya's bold ramp moment and Anamika's new age power dressing collection? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to Shosha for more runway magic from Lakmē Fashion Week.